Hi, hello everyone. So, if you are a first time VBA user, like you have already worked on Excel, but you never got a chance to work on VBA macros, or you never got to do programming or coding in Excel, so you will not you will not see the developer tab on the menu bar. So this is a customized menu bar. If you see file, home, insert, drop, page layout, formula, data, review, view, all these menu items are there except developer tab, and that is what you need for writing code or programming. So how can we get that? I'll tell you. It's a very easy way to get that here in your customized ribbon. Go to file, click on this. Then you can see the option tab. Click on that. Customize ribbon, as I told you. Click on customize ribbon. Can you see the menu tab? So in menu tab drop down, you'll see all the requisite menus we use in our day-to-day lives are here. Like if you see home, insert, draw, and everything is there, except developer tab because it is unchecked. So to get this developer tab on your menu item, click on it. Now it is checked. Click on OK. See, you can now see the developer tab. Okay, so this is how you can get the developer tab. And the next step, I'll take you through each and everything, like how you can write a code and record a macro. Everything I'll tell you. So this is it for today. Thank you so much.